Do it, Marcus.
Let's do this.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, me too.
Falling.
Are you okay? You guys okay?
Yeah.
I'm good. Oh, baby.
M4 carbine over here if somebody wants it.
And P5 here.
Where was that carbide, John? Why has it been picked up?
To your right, I'm behind it, that truck. You see me?
Oh, didn't we? Oh. Thanks, mate.
On the corner there.
Yeah, I love that. You know.
Oh, there's a turret. You can. Do you want to get up here, preacher? Don't you like this?
Oh, nice. Good spot, Dwayne, eh?
You see, there's a few of these big shells around. I've seen 3 of them. So there's one here. There's one next to it.
There's 3 over there.
And then there's another one over here. Yeah.
I got
I'm
the ball.
guessing.
The back of the truck. Bunch of them.
I've got ball wire. I feel like I need to lay it down somewhere, but where?
Well, I'm
keeping hold of mine for now.
I would tend to think you'd want to. They're going to come from where the which way
That tunnel.
The tunnel is. Yes, I never saw that, mate. Because the gun's pointing that way. The howitzer is pointing that way.
Wait to find out.
That's how you say it.
Oh, and there's more shells in the back of this truck. Oh, here we go.
Oh, they're coming my way. Coming behind us.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh, I can turn my gun. It's all right. Looks like some shells behind me as well.
Alright, I can hit it if you want. I can fire again.
Is anything coming?
Big guy inbound.
Go for it. I think we need to take it down fully.
Well, that's shit in that turret, I'm telling you.
No good.
No good at all.
Loading up the artillery. Yeah, that's what we've got to do. We've got to load it and fire it 5 times.
There's about 6 behind me.
I'm going to clear it out.
Six
Then
shells
load the
to me.
next one in.
Dropped a shell next to the.
Don't get them off me.
Yeah, I'm
I
on.
see.
On me. Q.
They're all around us.
Right, you load up.
They're coming all around us, guys.
Yuka.
Let's see what's wrong with Preacher.
I'm down.
I've got it.
You look like you need help, Mr.
I'm in some gunk.
Glad you make house calls.
What are you, preacher?
Come up.
Oh, big guy.
Thank you.
Oh, someone's got me. Someone released me.
Right. Right up. F, is it F? What
Just
it is?
got me.
Oh,
There we go.
Big guy.
That's it.
thought it was the melee one. Oh shit.
Let's do this. You will fall. Reloading.
I'm locked down, guys.
Where's Dwayne? Someone get to him?
I'm on it. There's
Big,
shell
big
mine.
guys on me.
You out?
Yeah, thanks. No health though.
Behind you. Whoa!
Need to get another shell in him. Gonna see if he'll follow me.
Preoccupied.
Got to get another 4 shells into that monster.
I'm gone. I'm trapped even. Thank you. Shell on me.
Whoa! Something's
I
got
see a
me.
creature.
I'll say it again. We've got to get shells into that monster.
Yeah, we're trying.
Okay, mate.
We're not putting him into the monster. We're putting him into the hole.
All right.
I had one as well, man.
So we basically shoot at the cave or that opening.
Yes, I'm down. I'm trapped again.
Right, come in. Oh, something's
down.
on Twainy. Damn.
Thank you.
What's
Trapped
happening?
again.
What's happening?
Thanks, Doc. Assistance
Thanks, Walter.
and actively required. Greatly appreciated.
Damn, again.
What are you waiting for? Here we are.
Here, don't be a baby.
Like, so close.
Oh damn! Just see who's next to us. Yeah, and I'm captured now. No one's able to release me.
Can't get out
Can we
of
kill it?
Fucking.
Something's got me and I'm down, I think.
Damn it, they knocked me on my ass.
No, waiting to respawn.
Help has arrived.
Thank you, miss.
Well, I'm done for the day.
Don't like that.
Need to reload. Weakening. Doesn't look like you have much time left.
I think he's down.
Last.
I never thought I'd be doing this when I was at medical school.
Thank you.
Just what I needed.
Another big guy. Lord.
Holy hell.
Oh, he's up in the rafters.
Reloading.
I keep him off me.
Thanks, guys. So,
Behind you. Nice. Well played.
resources wasted, I guess.
Thank heavens we got past that one. I didn't want to do that again.
That's pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah.